The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Overnight, from 13th to 14th October, Russian forces frustrated preparatory activities of the Ukrainian armed forces at Zaporozhye direction for a riverborne landing operation near Zaporozhye Nuclear Power Plant. According to updated information, attacks launched by Russian Aerospace Forces Army Aviation, missile troops and artillery at the amphibious force located in the Bay of Kakhovka Reservoir near Osokorovka in Kherson region have resulted in the elimination of over 50 Ukrainian personnel, 5 fast boats, 2 barges, 5 tanks and 4 infantry combat vehicles. High-precision attack launched by Russian Aerospace Forces at the provisional base of the 2nd Battalion from the 65th Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Zaporozhye has resulted in the elimination of over 160 Ukrainian personnel accommodated in 3 outquarters. The enemy made unsuccessful attempts to launch an offensive towards Dutchany, Sadok and Dishchenka in Kherson region at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. Intense action of Russian forces have resulted in repelling all the attacks. About 120 Ukrainian personnel, 17 armored combat vehicles and 8 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Moreover, Russian artillery has destroyed 5 ferries installed by the Ukrainian armed forces across the Ingulets River. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,236 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,792 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 869 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,475 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,580 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.